California rapper YG was arrested on suspicion of DUI on Tuesday in California. The Burbank City Jail confirmed to People that YG, born Keenan Daquan Ray Jackson, was booked for misdemeanor DUI on October 1. TMZ was first to report, and numerous outlets citing police reported that the rapper was cuffed after police discovered him standing outside his car that he is claimed to have driven over a curb. "We will be contesting the allegations, and they are just that, merely allegations," the "Who Do You Love" rapper's attorney Joe Tacopina told People when reached for comment. YG was previously arrested in 2020, just days before his Grammy Awards performance, on a robbery charge. He was also charged in a 2018 robbery where a man had his chain snatched at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. Both cases were dismissed in 2022, with YG settling with the latter victim out of court. On August 15, YG dropped the third installment of his Just Read Up mixtape series. The 19-track project featured longtime collaborator DJ Mustard, Saweetie, Ty Dolla $ign, Lil Yachty and more.